Understand your customer. The first step in understanding your customer is to figure out what they want. This can be done through market research, surveys, and interviews. You need to find out what they're looking for in a product or service and what needs aren't being met. Once you know what they want, you can create a product or service that meets those needs. Another important part of understanding your customer is understanding their buying process. You need to know how they make decisions and what factors influence their choice. This includes things like price, quality, and convenience. Knowing how your customer thinks will help you create marketing materials that appeal to them and convince them to buy from you. Finally, you need to stay up to date on your customers' changing needs. As their needs change, you need to update your products and services to meet those new needs. Staying current on trends and changes in your industry is essential if you want to keep your customers happy. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We release new videos daily, related to online business challenges and solutions. So make sure to stay tuned. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Furthermore, visit our website www.profitiya.com for more information on how to overcome these challenges. We would love to answer any of your questions. Thanks for watching.